Hello, my young mathematicians. Professor Bill here, and today's lesson is all about the exciting world of addition and subtraction. Get ready to put on your thinking caps because we're about to embark on a journey filled with fun and learning. Let's dive right in. Now let's talk about addition and subtraction. These are like magic tools we use to combine or take away numbers. Just like when we add toys to our collection or subtract cookies from a jar. Let's start with addition. Imagine you have a basket with 2 apples. If I add one more apple to the basket, how many apples do we have in total? That's right. We now have 3 apples in the basket. Adding is like bringing more items together to see how many there are in total. Let's try another example together. Let's imagine you have a basket with 6 colorful cookies in it. If I add 2 more cookies to the basket, how many cookies do we have in total? That's right. We now have 8 cookies in the basket. Adding is like bringing more items together to see how many there are in total. So now we have even more cookies to share with our friends or enjoy all by ourselves. Let's go on to learn about the amazing uses of subtraction. Now, let's think about subtraction. Suppose you have 5 candies and you eat 2 of them. How many candies do you have left? Yes, you have 3 candies left. Subtraction is like taking away or removing some of the things to find out how many are left. Can you guys help me out with another example? Great. Imagine you have a basket with 10 shiny marbles in it. If you give 4 marbles to your friend, how many marbles do you have left in the basket? That's right, you have 6 marbles left. Subtraction helps us figure out how many items remain after taking some away. So now, you have fewer marbles, but there are still plenty left to play with. Now, let's try some fun activities to practice addition and subtraction together. Imagine we're at a magical carnival with rides and games. If we start with 3 balloons and buy 2 more, how many balloons do we have in total? That's right, we have 5 balloons. With the 5 balloons you now have, if you give 4 balloons to your best friend, how many balloons do you have left? Amazing, yes, you have 1 balloon left. Now let us learn the symbols used for both addition and subtraction. Okay, let's look at this symbol. This is the symbol we use for addition. It means we're adding things together. Like when we put 2 toys in a toy box with 3 toys already inside, we use this symbol to show that we're combining them. Can you draw a plus sign in the air with your finger? Great job. We can also write this like this. 2 plus 3, which equals 5. This symbol that looks like 2 lines stacked on top of each other is the equals sign. When we see this symbol, it means that whatever is on one side is the same as what's on the other side. It's like a balanced scale. If both sides are equal, it means they weigh the same or have the same amount. So when we see the equals symbol, we know that both sides are the same or equal to each other. It helps us show that 2 things are exactly the same in math problems. Now, let's talk about subtraction. This symbol here is called a minus sign. It means we're taking things away or removing them. Just like when we eat some cookies from a plate, we use this symbol to show that we're subtracting them. Can you all make a minus sign shape with your arms? Fantastic! Let me show you an example. Let's say you have 5 pencils and you give 3 away to your friend. It can be written as 5 minus 3 equals 2. Subtraction is like magic. It helps us figure out how many things we have left after we take some away. So, the next time you're sharing toys or treats, remember, you can use the minus sign to show how many you have left afterward. Keep practicing and you'll become subtraction experts in no time. And there you have it, my young mathematicians. We've journeyed through the exciting world of addition and subtraction, mastering these magical tools that help us combine and take away numbers. With practice, you'll become experts in no time. Remember, whether it's adding toys to a collection or subtracting cookies from a jar, math is all around us, making our everyday adventures even more fun and exciting. So, keep exploring, keep learning, and always remember the amazing things you can do with math.